All right, today I wanted to give you a look at this product that I was sent over to review. This is a smart lock and it comes with all the instructions, and even there is a video guide that you can follow for installation, which makes it super easy. I love that it comes with a bottom door handle. A lot of times, even if the stains say that they're matching, if you get a product that does not have both, then there's always a chance that there'll be a dissimilar color on it. So this is really nice to get both included as a set. And that way you can also eliminate the chance that somebody locks the bottom one. And then basically with this, you're pretty much not going to carry keys anymore because you're going to use either the fingerprint sensor or you're going to use the keypad. This is what the lock looks like on the inside. It does take 4 AA batteries that were not included, so you'll have to provide those. I would suggest for an exterior door to use lithium ion batteries. That's going to last you a lot longer. I think it's lithium, or there's the extended duration, especially if you're in a colder climate. The colder climate, the batteries don't last as long. So you get your deadbolt and your strike plate there. This is what it looks like after it's installed. Super easy to work. You can see you just put your finger there and there'll be a green light and it'll tell you that it's unlocked, and there's a little audible cue as well. So this lock can be configured for either a right-handed door or a left-handed door. There's a slot for the batteries there. You didn't even need to download an app to put this thing in. It was nice. You could just walk through all of it. It works really good. Just to lock it there, you just press the lock. I'm not going to show you my combination here, but everything worked out really good. I really would recommend this. I love that it's a matching set. You're going to love it yourself.